Hello, this is Dogeman from Dogelon. I come here today to talk about Dogecoin and Litecoin a little bit. I just made a visit to Litecoin Lisa at happy hour on her birthday a week ago or so. I'm so happy to be here today to talk about such experience. However, I'm having trouble phasing in and phasing out. I take my phased out and I take it and I put my hands back up and phased in. I don't know what to do. Saint Jerome, would you please rescue me from this phasing? Saint Jerome, please rescue me. Saint Jerome, help me.
Hi, this is Saint Jerome with another crypto experience. My buddy Dogeman of Dogelon was just here and he was having trouble phasing in and phasing out. So he asked me, since I am on this frequency, to talk to you today about Dogecoin, about Litecoin a little bit, merge mining just a little bit, throwing a little Elon Musk, and then report on Dogeman's appearance at happy hour last week on Litecoin Lisa's birthday. It was exciting and a bit scary too. Today is 10:30 at 23, and I am St. Jerome bringing you the crypto experience about Doge. So, a little bit off of Wikipedia. Doge is a cryptocurrency created by software engineers Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer, who decided to create a payment system as a joke, making fun of the wild speculation in cryptocurrencies at the time. It is considered both the first meme coin and, more specifically, the first dog coin, hence Doge. Despite its satirical nature, some consider it a legitimate investment prospect. Dogecoin features the face of the Shiba Inu dog from the Doge meme as its logo and namesake. It was introduced on December 6, 2013, and quickly developed its own online community, reaching a peak market capitalization of over US $85 billion on May 5th of 2021. So, and just a little bit of history on that. Bitcoin, it came around in 2009, and then Litecoin, I think about 2011. So this Dogecoin was an early one. I believe Digibyte came in 2014. So it's one of the OGs, so to speak, in cryptocurrency. So, and a lot of fun too. So its symbol is like the D. Its code is Doge. Um, Billy Marcus, Jackson Palmer were the authors. December 6th of 2013 at more than 9 years ago. It was started almost 10 years ago now. Let's see what else we have here. Block times are 1 minute, and it's unlimited. Now, I hear they now have a controlled inflation, and I'm not sure what that is. A little bit more. Dogecoin promotes the currency as a fun and friendly internet currency. Reference its origins as a joke. Um, Software engineers Billy Marcus Jackson Palmer launched a satirical cryptocurrency as a way to make fun of Bitcoin and the many other cryptocurrencies, posting grand plans to take over the world. With the help of Reddit, the site became an instant hit. Within 2 weeks, Dogecoin had established a dedicated blog and forum, and its market value jumped to $8 million. Dang, once jumping to become the seventh largest electronic currency in the world, Dogecoin is based on the script algorithm. So I got a little bit of Dogecoin a while back, spent just a few, I think I spent $12. And that was when Doge was way under $1. Then one day, a couple of years ago, I'm like, what the heck? And Dogecoin, I think, got up to 70 cents. I was like, hurry, trade. Tried to trade it real quick. I finally got it traded. It was tough to get on that day. I think I traded around 35 or 40 cents. So it didn't make a lot of money, but that was sure nice, though, for a $12 investment. So, wow. And Doge now is gained a lot of popularity. There's this one guy who pumped it and it went crazy up. Thank you, by the way, Mr. And who's that famous man who pumped it up? Pump it up. He's hiding behind my face, and it is replace me with Elon Musk, is that happy billionaire, trillionaire guy who pumped Dogecoin up to beyond the moon. So thank you, Elon. We salute you for the good work you have done. So Well, I am a big Litecoin fan. I believe Litecoin is going to be one of the most needed currency coins. It's very fast. Litecoin transactions are in just a matter of seconds, whereas Bitcoin, although a good store of value, it can take a long time for those transactions to go through. And one thing nice about Litecoin now, it has Mimblewimble. It is a layer above Alpha Core, above Litecoin, and you can go up. Your identity is kind of lost in the shuffle, and it comes back down, and the money appeared, but who sent it? Nobody seems to know. Well, have you ever heard of merge mining? So you can merge mine Doge and Litecoin at the same time and get kind of a 2-for-1 sale. I think that is a win-win. So Dogecoin and Litecoin have been two of the long-standing cryptocurrencies, which registering around 30,000 daily on-chain transactions. Dogecoin, which launched in 2013, is a fork of Litecoin. Hence, it relies on the same hashing function script. In 2014, Dogecoin and developers, along with the community, decided to switch to an auxiliary proof of work called the Octal algorithm in order to maintain network security through reliance on Litecoin's mining workforce. As a result, Litecoin miners could now obtain additional cryptocurrency for their efforts while providing the same amount of hash power as before. That is outstanding. So, as a representative of Dogeman of Dogelon, thank you, sir, for your good service and bringing that. Now, we're going to now go to Litecoin Lisa's birthday party. And my friend Dogeman appeared that day, and he was on. If you caught the podcast, he came on live and gave a special gift of a fake Litecoin to Lisa. She was so impressed with that fake Litecoin. She showed the whole world that. But here's something we found out. Little secret: don't tell anybody. I mean, I've only got 400 podcasters, so not very many people know. Hoping that grows, by the way, guys. Hey, there's a reward if it grows. But anyway, what is the thing that we found out? Litecoin Lisa is afraid of masked creatures. And for some reason, she thought Dogeman was masked. Huh. Pretty sure he's a real guy. Here is my buddy, Dogeman Dogelon, and he just presented to Litecoin Lisa the fake Litecoin. So here they are together in the Westwood Studios. Now you can see that Lisa's really taken back and just a little bit frightened of the power that's emanating from Dogeman. So this is in the corner of as they were doing their happy hour broadcast. Dogeman brought some life to the party, but didn't really need any life. We had plenty of life already. And the previous picture was from the wonderful photography of Polly P. And this is how it appeared during happy hour with Lisa and Westwood. But that's not Westwood. That is Dogeman. And Lisa had just received the valuable fake Litecoin. And she was still like not thinking too highly of the Dogeman. A little bit. Here, Dogeman is presenting the royal cape. On the back is a picture, can't hardly see it, but of Dogeman sitting inside of a taco. It is quite a robe to be held. It's only worn by the royalty of Dogelon. So, in last week's podcast, Clint and Lisa were wrapping up about the birthday party. They had a few things to say to Dogeman earlier. And here is the gang that was there with Lisa's birthday cake. And we have Blind Dave Crypto. We have Javier, Lisa in the middle. We have Mr. Westwood Sr., have Mitch, Polly P., and then that tall guy in the background is Saintjerome anyway. So it was great. I had a good time meeting everybody, being with everybody again, seeing some of my magical internet friends was great. So this photo didn't quite come out like I wanted. I cut poor old Blind Dave's head off there, but he had some friends sitting on the couch at the Westwood establishment. There they are. And he is feeding. You can see in his right hand, it's cut off the screen. He is feeding the dogs Cheetos. And then here comes Oso to get in on the action too. So Anyway, and then he gifted me a pair of these wonderful Digibyte glasses. So Dave is a big proponent of Digibyte. He has a podcast on Thursdays. I incorrectly gave the time one of my podcasts about his podcast. It is at 4 p.m. Central Time, and featuring on the podcast, which is called Hash It Out, is Blind Dave Crypto, the fearless leader. And then you have Clint Westwood is on weekly, right a day before happy hour. How does he do it? Then you have Javier, who brings in the older perspective. He keeps saying he's old guy. Hey, St. Jerome's older, Javier. Come on. And he's keeps kind of saying he's dumb. He's not a dumb guy, believe me. He's putting on some errors there for you. And then we have Steak, a European who gives the other continent's opinion on things. He has some good ideas. It's kind of interesting when Javier and Steak get in a little back and forth, a little back and forth. So that's why it's called Hash It Out. Guest stars show up. One of them recently was Litecoin Lisa. So maybe St. Jerome will get on there one day. We'll have to hit these guys up. Well, I hope you found it interesting to meet the Dogeman and Dogelon. Here is a parting shot of Dogeman. And as I'm blocking Lisa Davis in the back, aka Litecoin Lisa, their happy hour, hers and Clint Westwood, is each Friday night at 4 p.m. Central Time. Once again, so Thursdays you got Hash It Out with Blind Dave Crypto, and on Fridays you have a happy hour. Don't forget to wear something red, or drink out of something red. That gives honor to our military serving overseas. Anyway, so thanks for watching yet another crypto experience. Sorry, it's been a little bit of a while. It's interesting. So, by the way, Dogeman is going to be walking around tomorrow. What's tomorrow? Today's October the 30th. Why is Dogeman going to be out tomorrow? It's a mystery to me. But I heard he's going to make a guest appearance at maybe an educational institute, perhaps. So, well, there's some codes down below, and you can get some discounts. I'm a Ballet, Ballet, I'm a flag. I'm a Ballet ambassador. That's a very good cold storage wallet. You can't get it hacked unless you just absolutely rip off the sticker and show the whole world, and that would not be a good move. I also have some discount codes for Miles Franklin. Tell them St. Jerome sent you. Precious metals, and right now it's getting ready to explode, the precious metals. I'm a big fan of Bull Pony's timing, and he has Bitcoin and particularly Bitcoin and gold and silver really taking off in the very near future, and the dollar dropping. So does the Future Forecasting Group, the same thing. They see these other assets that are not Federal Reserve. And by the way, Federal Reserve notes, they're not backed by anything. So we got here a lot of rumors. I don't, how many rumors have I heard? I think I've heard at least 17 rumors about the currency is going to flip. I heard another 17 rumors about maybe we're going to be flipping from one situation to another situation with our financial institutes. So anyway, I think that's a good number to ponder as we do finish these podcasts here today. Thank you very much. I'm going to come back with a special podcast in the near future, showing how to, it'll be a simple one on how to do transfer cryptocurrency on a Ballet Wallet. I have a special request by Roseanne. So Roseanne, I will not forget you, and I'll get that out. But give me a few days to get that done. Got kind of a busy time helping Dogeman get back to Dogelon. Thank everybody for coming, and you have a good day. Goodbye.